You have all shown your solidarity and expressed deep concern over the situation in Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir, what is happening there with humanity, regardless of what caste, color, creed people belong to, or what nationality or what religion they belong to, but they're human beings. That is the common ground, and that is the beauty of interfaith harmony, that every religion which came into being was for bringing brotherhood, for bringing harmony in the world, not bloodshed or war, and peace and tranquility. And Kashmir happens to be the oldest pending issue in the United Nations agenda, and which is the most volatile, and it's a nuclear flashpoint, this problem. And we were very close towards a nuclear exchange 2 years back on 27th of February, which could have been disastrous for the entire world's peace, harmony, and existence. Humanity, 2/3 of the world's humanity could have been wiped out if it had accelerated. And you can expect anything from the Modi regime because they have won their votes on the blood of minorities, and they think it's a win-win situation. If they kill more Kashmiris, if they create the entire situation into a battleground and start a war stunt with Pakistan, then they will win the next regime. But it's really their short-sightedness. If this accelerates even a micro nuclear exchange, then entire humanity can be dead. No vegetation growth for the world, starvation, and nuclear ice age. This is what nuclear scientists have been saying about it. So it's a very dangerous situation, and at this time it's very, very important to focus on a peaceful solution of the core issue, which happens to be the Kashmir issue, and that can only be resolved if the people of that land are given that choice to decide their future as per the UN resolutions. Right now, genocide is being committed against an unarmed and defenseless nation, which absolutely has no defense system to protect them against not just the Indian occupation, but now the Indian public also, after abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, which happens to be a disputed territory. Indians can settle there and get voter rights, residency rights. They're taking away all the economic rights of the Kashmiri, their political rights, their right to live, and all the leadership is locked up. Especially my husband, who's one of the topmost leaders of this movement. He is in Tihar death cell right now, and fake fabricated cases are being filed against him, and he could be persecuted, hanged, and he's been kept in that death cell in which Maqbool Butt Shaheed was hanged, in which Afzal Guru was hanged. It's the same Tihar jail. So I'm presenting this letter to this highly dignified, to this honorable delegation, and this letter is an appeal from my side as a wife of a Kashmiri leader who's right now incarcerated in a death cell. He's being physically, mentally tortured, and he's not being given any legal access, and he's not being given the rights even of a basic prisoner, because India is a signatory to the Geneva Conventions on the Rights of Prisoners, and he happens to be a political prisoner. He is the face of the peaceful movement of Kashmir freedom struggle, and he's being treated worse than a terrorist. And this is a letter with a summary of the case, and also an appeal to use your good offices or to all these dignitaries who have a great influence in their region, and to spread the message of peace from the Kashmiris, and to also tell the world that the solution to the entire region's peace and stability lies with the final settlement of the Kashmir issue, because it's a nuclear flashpoint. It is not just for the Kashmiris or the people of this region. The whole world can be affected if it is accelerated, what is happening right now. So thank you very much.